Hello everybody, this is Danny S Hodges. This video is the ultimate TV antenna, the 180 mile TV antenna scan. Now y'all, here's what I got here. I made a video yesterday for that antenna group that I'm in, you know, the Facebook antenna group. And I'm going to show y'all that video today. And I got a channel scan on there. I'm talking about antennas and stuff, all kind of stuff about antennas, so there's more than just a channel scan on there. Now, there's one thing you got to know. There's a difference in when you scan a TV and the skips coming in there. That's when you'll get all them crazy channels. The scan I'm showing you is not the skip coming in there. It's just a plain antenna. Well, it's got a boost on it. But what I mean to say is the skip ain't coming in there. And the reason I know it is because it gets Atlanta every night. I'm going to be showing you that. Y'all, you have to just trust me, I reckon. I've scanned that TV, I bet you 1,000 times. And it gets Atlanta every night. But here's the video. This right here is a really good video. I'm going to be telling you some good stuff on it. And then it'll be the channel scan. Alright y'all, here we go. Hello everybody, this is Danny S Hodges. I got some work I got to do this morning. I figured I'd get the camera out and show you. I've run out of kits. And I actually got a label over there to put on a kit to ship out. But I hadn't even got one made up to ship. And I told Tammy last night we needed to make some up. She said, "Will you make some up tomorrow night?" But anyway, I got to go on because, you know, it's got to go to the, well, this is going to the post office here. And I'm also going to tell y'all, I sell a lot that don't go through eBay. I sell a hell of a lot. I got one to ship to the Virgin Islands and got one to ship to Canada. I keep this stuff like this cut all the time, and I try to keep reflectors cut. Let me show you something. Look at my hand. Got blisters. This one, well, it's about gone now, but that was a blood blister. Man, this will kill me. Take this and put it in here. Start rolling. You know, you see the fun part where I'm like making all the money, but you don't see having to buy all this stuff. Alright, put this in here. And now I got to put stuff to go with it. And I got to cut me some wire. Now I'm going to tell y'all something I thought of while I was like kind of getting this right here prepped up. One day I might show y'all the store-bought antenna that I bought. One that looks like mine in the picture. But I told you it's a long way from it. My antenna's twice as big. And I know people can't resist like just getting a cheaper antenna. But you don't realize everything. And I know it ain't your fault. I mean, they lie bad about their antennas. But it's a little bitty antenna. Comes in a little bitty box. A matter of fact, the first one I got, I kind of laughed at it when I seen it. It fell apart when I was toting it out the back door to go put it up. But a TV antenna is something. You get what you pay for. And, you know, mine's all soldered together and everything. And that's the difference in an antenna lasting 25 years and one lasting 1 year. Okay? I have to have these right here. I put them in the box. That's the spacer for the reflector. Here's the transformer. Here's the screws for the reflector and screwing the spacers on. I'll put this in the bag. Tammy usually has this stuff done for me. Then I have to have 4 of these. And see, these come like this in the kit. And then the full antenna comes, you know, naturally it comes like that. But this comes where all you got to do is put it where it goes and screw it down. Alright? I'll put them in the bag. This is something Tammy usually does. I don't think I've ever done this right here in my life. Alright, so I put this in there. And then even after I get through, I'm gonna stop and think about everything I put in here and make sure I do it, because I sit here running my mouth. Okay, here's my copper that goes with it. And hey, don't think we ain't had to untake these boxes before for some reason or another. And see, they stopped in, I thought about something. When I upgraded that ultimate antenna, I had about 30 antennas made. And this is the kind of person I am. Tammy said, just sell them, and then we'll start the upgrade. I said, I can't do that. So we went in there and took all 30 antennas out of the boxes and put that upgrade on them. Alright. Y'all know that little $20 antenna that they sell, that's my competition. hey, people like cheap. But hell, it won't hardly pick up. Now it says it picks up 180 miles. If it picks up 180 miles, mine picks up 380 miles. But you know, I told y'all, I get Atlanta every night. I don't get it in daytime. Well, I get it sometime in daytime. But the skip's got to be coming in there. But you know, let me make sure you understand. I get it every night. You say, well, I get it sometimes. No, I'm saying I get it every night. And it's because that ultimate antenna is just cold, flat pulling it in. It ain't skip doing it. Now, if the skip's doing it, instead of getting 40 channels, if the skip's in there, hell, I liable to get 110 channels. So what I'm saying is, you put that little $20 antenna on your roof and see. I got some buddies that's done it. I tried to tell them. You know what they said? They said, well, just as long as I get the local channels, that's all that matters. I said, what the hell else you think they is to get? And you won't even be able to get them. You might get a few channels. I done took it and tried it. Y'all know I couldn't stand here and lie. I'd get shredded to bits. For lying. Oh, somebody out there, they say that he lying. Alright, hey, there it is. It's ready to go. Now, I'm just sitting here looking at this just like you are. I scanned this one night and I didn't do no talking on it. And I didn't have to pick a particular night to scan. I'm telling you, it does this every night. And I got this speeded up right here. And YouTube has tightened down about showing the TV. They've tightened down bad about that. But anyway, what I'm going to be showing you here is this right here is a usual night. And I got a rotor. And here's the channels. And, you know, I know some of you can look that up and check me out. You know, there's some Atlanta channels. I don't even know, you know, where all of them are right there. But I do know there's some Atlanta channels on there. See that 17? Okay. You can check that out. I'm gonna show you Tammy here painting at the end of the video. Watch her how she's got her mouth open. She's funny to me, boy. Look at your mouth.
I know. All kind of. I'll put that on Facebook. I go back to work.
I'm gonna start over again. I can build $1 million business in 90 days. And I can do it all undercover.
Don't forget to like and subscribe, y'all. We'll see y'all the next time.